everybody, welcome to Mao Mao Chinese. And the main purpose of the channel is to teach Chinese by introducing Chinese culture and daily life. If you are interested in them, we hope the videos are helpful for you. And today we are going to talk about Chinese name. Some of you may already know that the order of the Chinese name is contrary to that of the Western name. As you know, the first word in the Western name is the given name, where the last word is the family name. However, in Chinese names, the first character is the family name or say the surname. In most cases, there is only one character in family name, but in some rare cases, there are two characters in each. The remaining part of the Chinese name is the given name, and in the given name, there is either one character or two characters, depending on the view of the person who gives the name. As the Chinese given name usually have exact meanings, which in most cases are blessings, wishes, and expectations from the person who gives the name to the guy who got it. So that is why most of the Chinese names are two or three characters. And the first one is the surname and the remaining is the given name. But in some extremely rare cases, there are four characters in the name. That's because the first two are the family name, where the last two are the given name. In addition to formal names, we Chinese have nicknames, especially when we are little. And we use nicknames to express intimacy and affection to the youngs. It is very common to use two identical characters for the nickname, as it is simple, easy, and cute. For example, my nickname is Mao Mao, because when I was born my hair was a bit thick, just looked like a mass of soft fur. Then I was called Mao Mao, because the character Mao in Chinese means hair, fur, or feather. Quite simple, isn't it? Now let's see the character Mao detailedly. Here we can see the pinyin, which is the pronunciation standard of the Mandarin, and the letter M here pronounced as mo, and you can follow me. Mo, mo, mo. The letter A and O here together are pronounced as ao, and you can follow me. Ao, ao, ao. Now let's pronounce the full pinyin together slowly. Mo, ao, mao. Let's say it 3 times. Mo, ao, mao. Mo, ao, mao. Mo, ao, mao. We will learn more about pinyin when we learn more characters and words in future. Now you know how to say character Mao, let's see the meaning of it more extensively. Actually, Chinese characters usually have various meanings depending on the words or text they are in. To character Mao, it is the same. Let's see the detailed meaning now. As you can see, the character Mao means hair, fur, feather, mold or mildew, grass, the currency unit of Chinese yuan, and so on. Yes, and so on. It is not full list of the meanings, as in different words it is formed, it expresses different meanings. But don't worry, you don't need to remember all of the meanings. Actually, you just know the main meanings are hair, fur, feather. Besides, it can also serve as the currency unit of Chinese yuan. Then it is okay. Now you know how to say the character Mao and what does it mean, but how to write it. If you have a multiple language input app on your smartphone or your tablet or your PC, you can just switch it to simplified Chinese. If you don't have one, you can install one on your device. Here we take the Gboard Google Keyboard app as an example, as it is free and easy to get. It is available both on Google Play and App Store. After you got it, go to Languages and Keyboard Chinese Simplified Pinyin and go into the menu Chinese Simplified Pinyin and take handwriting. Then press Done. Now you can try to type or write Chinese characters on your device. Under the pinyin mode, just type letters M, A, and O. Immediately, you will see the character Mao is showing on the screen. Just press it and the character Mao shows in your message or text content. Here are the different forms of the character Mao, a bit dizzy, isn't it? You just know all of them are the same character and you can recognize them, then it is okay. And if you prefer writing more than typing, then you can select handwriting mode and try to write it in this way. The character will automatically show in your message or text content. If you are interested in it, you can practice writing on your smartphone or tablet. In the future, we will learn more characters and more words, and you can type Chinese messages either by pinyin method or in the handwriting way on your device for your work or for making friends. Okay, today you know how Chinese names are organized, and you know how to type Chinese characters on your smartphone or tablet. Moreover, you learned one character Mao, and you know the meaning of it. You know how to say it, how to write it, and how to type it. And if you would like to, you can type Mao Chinese in the YouTube searching bar and you may reach my channel easily and fast. If you liked the video or think it is helpful for you, please subscribe to the channel and you will know more about Chinese culture and the Chinese language in future. Okay, hope to see you next time and have a nice day. Bye!